Subscribe to Akilan Tech YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell icon for the latest tech updates.
Hey, what's up guys, this is Akilan from Akilan Tech and I'm back with a new video. Today, let's talk about the Task Manager. Let's be frank guys, in our daily life, we will find so many lags and so many crashes in our personal computers. So to overcome that, if an app is not responding and if you want to close that application, you have to wait for some time. But with the Task Manager, we can just close that application. So watch the video till the end because I'm going to tell you actually what is Task Manager and how to use Task Manager, and every detail of the Task Manager is explained in these videos. So let's get started. By default, on any Windows computer, on any operating system of the Windows, it provides the Task Manager. Actually, the Task Manager is used to check and control the performance of a computer. Task Manager displays the applications, the processes and services that are currently running on your computer. Including these details, the Task Manager also shows some of the extra details such as system performance, active users, and details of each and every program that are there on your computer and are presently active. So to open a Task Manager, we can follow 3 steps. First one is just press the Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your computer to open the Task Manager. This is the first step. And the second one is to just right click on the taskbar and just click on Task Manager. And the third one is that just type in the search dialog box the Task Manager. So these are the 3 steps that you can follow to open a Task Manager. So now let's get into each and every process of the Task Manager. Okay guys, now you can see on the screen the Task Manager. This is the interface of the Task Manager. Here we have the couple of applications that are currently active. You can see on my computer only the OBS Studio that I'm recording this screen recording, and also the Task Manager is active, and another background processes apps you can see right from here. Now presently we are in the processes tab. In this tab you will see all the applications that are currently active on your computer and what are the applications that are running in the background on your computer. You can see this data from the processes tab. Next we have the performance tab. In this performance tab, it will tell you how much RAM memory, how much CPU performance is used. For now you can see my CPU is just utilized only 18%, 17 to 18%, and you can see the clock speed also. And next in this tab only we have the memory. It will show you how much memory is being used right now, and also we have the disk. This will show you how much storage is active right now, and also next we have the GPU. If you have any external GPU or the internal GPU, then it will show you how much GPU power is being currently used in this GPU tab, which is there in the performance tab. And next we have the app history. Actually we will not use this app history tab, so I'm just skipping it. Mainly we just use the processes tab and the performance tab and also the startup tab if there is a use of it. And as I told you, let us talk about the startup tab. If you want any application to open in the startup, that is when you just boot your Windows, that is when you just turn on your computer, if you want any app to open in the startup page, then you can use this startup tab. You can see I have just couple of applications which are listed in the startup tab. I've just disabled those applications because personally I don't want them to open in the startup when I turn on the computer. So you can adjust that right from here. And next of the users tab, it will show you how many users are currently active on your computer. Personally I am just a single user, so you can see only PC. This is a single user it is showing. If you have multiple users on your computer, then it will show you the multiple users and you can arrange those users right from here. And next of the details tab, it will show you the applications status and also the application memory, and if the virtualization is on for that particular application, and some extra details you will come to know in this details tab. And next we have the services. In these services, the services that are currently active on your computer will show you right from here. So personally I just use the startup, performance and processes tab. These are the 3 main tabs I personally use. So for example, if any application is not responding, then you can directly end that task right from here. For example, let me show you. I'm just opening the Chrome, and if you want to just close that application, you have to just click on that application. You can directly click on end task right from here. Otherwise, you have to just right click on that application and you have to just click on end task. You can see as soon as I click the end task option, the Google Chrome application is currently closed. And that's all from this video. I think you got a clear idea about what is Task Manager and how to use the Task Manager. If you find this video is informative, drop us a like down below and share this video. If you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you will be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. And also don't forget to watch this video out there because it will be way more interesting. And that's it for me today guys. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers!